You're looking to buy a new pair of shoes. Instead of searching around at various stores to find what you're looking for, you decide to browse online. So where do you start? Probably by entering a few words into Google and seeing what pops up. These words that you enter into the search engine are called keywords. So what are keywords? Keywords are search queries or words and phrases that users choose to describe what they're looking for. Google, Bing, and other popular search engines use keywords to determine what content is most relevant to each search query. This determines how web pages rank in search results for specific terms and phrases. There are many types of keywords, but let's start with 5 common categories you need to know. Short tail, long tail, geo-targeted, fresh, and evergreen. Let's start off by defining short tail keywords. Short tail keywords are broad search terms that are contained in 3 words or less. For example, shoes or running shoes would be considered short tail keywords. Since these keywords are broad, the user is more likely to be provided with a wide variety of search results. Next up, let's look at long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are more targeted search terms that contain more than 3 words. Some long tail keywords would be size 11 men's shoes or Nike running shoes for men. As you can see, these keywords are more specific than short tail keywords, providing the user with more specific search results. Another type of keyword is geo-targeted keywords. Geo-targeted keywords are location-specific search terms used to help users find results near them or another location that they are interested in. An example of this would be shoe stores in Toledo, Ohio. Now, if Mr. Clean were here, he'd be more than happy to introduce this next keyword, and that is fresh keywords. Fresh keywords refer to search terms that are currently trending. For example, fresh keywords at the time of this video being recorded is the 2021 Olympics or medal counts for 2021 Olympics. Lastly, let's check out evergreen keywords. Evergreen keywords are search terms that are always relevant. Some examples of evergreen keywords include migraine symptoms or why do I have a headache, since medical issues such as headaches are consistent and never go away. So why do keywords matter? Keywords play a heavy role with SEO. Short for search engine optimization, SEO is a digital marketing strategy that focuses on increasing the quality and quantity of your website's traffic. Part of the SEO process is using keywords to determine which content is most relevant to the entered search query and how different web pages should rank in searches according to each set of keywords. When a website is well optimized for search engines like Google, it speaks the same language as its intended users. This is done through keywords for SEO that connect relevant users to your site. To determine these keywords, you want to think from your intended user's point of view and consider what terms they're most likely to search. Keywords are more important than you might think. They play a big part in how your website ranks in search engine optimization. Understanding keywords and utilizing them correctly benefits not only your business, but also your user's experience at the same time. If you'd like to learn more about keywords, you can go ahead and check out the blog that is linked in the description below. If you like this video, go ahead and give a like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay notified. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and leave that question in the comment section and we'll answer that as soon as possible. All right, have a good one.